Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well, and I'm back with another video regarding Gods of Boom. And in this video I will show you the comparison video of Sunburst versus the all ARs in the game. And before we start the video, I want to thank my friend Hulk and Red Devil for helping me out to make this video. And I just want to tell, if you using your uh, ear earphones, then please plug it out, because the sound of this gun is very irritating. So just kidding guys. And the reason why I'm uploading this video, because many of guys asking which is the best AR, so I thought let's make a comparison video of this gun, because this is the kind of top 1 or 2 AR in the game right now. And uh, and maybe you guys know, or maybe you guys don't know, like this kind of videos take lots of time to make. And so that's why I upload a different game video yesterday, because I just want some time to edit this video. And to shoot this video, uh, it took me like 2 to 3 days. And so that's why I uploaded different video in between my last GOB video and this GOB video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I will tell you the first thing, that why you should use this gun. You can use, and like how you can use this gun. You can use this gun with the sniper combo. If you are like standing at one place, don't if you don't go too close to enemies, then you can use this gun with sniper combo. But if you like to rushing, and then you can use this gun with AR or shotgun combo. Like for example, I use my sniper most of the time, and I use wasp with it. I don't use this gun with that, because if you use this gun in a close range, you will suicide, or you get some damage of this gun, because at a close range you can't use this gun because of the damage effect. And the close range, the damage of this gun is very low. So that's the two reason why you should don't uh, come close to enemies while using this gun. And if you use this gun like I use in the AR combo, I use this gun when I know I'm gonna rush, but I mostly rush with AR or shotgun combo. So in that case, this gun is very good. First, I have maintain some distance from my enemies, so that my enemies don't come close to me. So in this way, this gun can damage a lot, can give a lot of damage to the enemies. And other thing is that when you use this gun with Mirage, just activate the Mirage perk, and then the perk of this gun will be like awesome, because this gun has the perk which your enemy will doesn't have any idea like where the bullets are coming from. So that perk is very useful of this gun. So use this perk, that perk with the Mirage perk, combine both the perks, and you will get better results. And second thing is that when you use this gun, don't zigzag too much with the joystick. Try to stand still, because when you try to zigzag with it, it will miss a lot of shots. So that's why I'm just saying that don't try to move too much of your joystick. Just stand at one place and try to give and miss shots. So in that way it will be more productive. So this is basically a medium to long range assault rifle. So you can't go close to your enemies with while using this gun. So this is the basic things that I want to tell you guys. And other thing is that use this gun when you like your enemies on low health, because of the perk of this gun is like it can give 2 to 3 enemies heavy damage if they are standing together. So in that way it's very productive. You can get double, triple, or 4 at once very easily. So I also use this gun like that way. And other thing is that it's not like 1v1 AR. When you use this gun you have to stand still, as I said. So it's not 1v1 AR. It's like a, to kill enemy you have to hide somewhere. You have to hide behind the wall so that you don't need to move too much, so that you uh, give enemy proper headshots or body shots. Because when you try to move too much you will miss a lot of shots. And that's the basic things which I want to say in this video regarding this AR. And as you can see in the comparison video, this gun is winning against Bastion, Firefly, and Survivor. It's producing mixed kind of result in the skill test, because when I able to land all the shots, it I can win against any AR. But when it's missed some shots, that opponent AR can win easily. So that's the thing, that's why I'm saying that you have to stand still so that you don't miss any shots. So that's all information that I have that I can give you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to leave a like on this video and share this video with your friends. And I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.